Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Muzammil in front of you and we are back with a new podcast. With me I have new friends, Usman Aziz and Hassan Ansar. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, what about you?
brother.
I'm fine, thank you for asking. So today we will talk about the web development and we can say that how to create app and websites and on which platform we can create websites or games. So Usman, please give us the information about web development and what is web development, on which platform we can make.
Well, if we talk about web development, in web development you can easily make backend coding in Java, like Python and etc. But in our Pakistan, a lot of people can make their websites in WordPress.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, what kind of websites, or like, is there any themes of making websites, or like, how can we make website? Like,
Muzammil, this depends upon what should you do for your website. Like if you can make a brand like clothing brand, perfume brands. So in this types of websites you can easily make on WordPress. If you make like multi-millionaire company websites, then you can convert complete coding into Java, Python, etc.
okay, that's good. So, what about you, Hassan?
Well, I think web development is the process of creating websites or web applications that are accessible via internet. It's involve a combination of programming, designs, languages, libraries, and there are many components of web development like front-end development, back-end.
Yeah.
Okay, on which platform we can use coding of front end and back end?
In Java, you can easily make in all type of language like Java, Python, etc., C++, Java, script. You can easily make backhand and
I
front
include
hand.
some points in it.
Yeah.
Like in HTML, you can make very good front end. In
And HTML and CSS.
Yeah, HTML and CSS.
So what is HTML and CSS? Like, if
HTML
there are
and
new
CSS
users.
like this is coding languages. Yeah,
It is mainly used for front end work.
yeah.
Front end, right?
Yeah.
Their front end is very good. Yeah, and easily made.
Like, is there any other websites on which we can make like, we can say websites or like front end and back end coding? Is there any other websites?
Yeah, you can easily make front end coding on Java, but it is very typical for
Yeah.
beginners. Yeah.
Okay.
And Python is very easy. You can easily make.
Okay, so what do you think that Java's front end back end coding is more developed, or we can say Python's front end and back end we can say coding is more developed?
It's depend upon coder personal preference,
Yeah.
which language they can use. But I think so
Like,
in Java.
which language has more options to decode or to modify the website?
I think so.
HTML or CSS has a good grip on
Front
front
end.
end.
Okay, so
You can easily make
there is another specific word related to Java, is JavaScript.
yeah.
So what do you think that what is JavaScript?
Java and JavaScript are totally different languages. Yeah.
Okay.
Their like libraries, their coding structures is totally different from each other.
Okay, so if a student is learning Java,
Yeah.
then what should he do to learn the JavaScript? Meanwhile is learning JavaScript or Java, we can say
Java.
Java language. So how can he learn JavaScript? Like there is same libraries or methods?
No.
It is totally different language.
Yeah,
JavaScript
of course.
is totally different language. There are many languages. They are totally different from each other.
Okay, for which purpose we can use JavaScript?
You can use JavaScript for
front end.
coding,
You can use
Like
back
there
end
is-
coding, front end coding. It is he tell it is a personal preference by a
Which-
coder which language he is having a command or is using for a front end back end.
Okay, so some person is making code of any program on Java,
Yeah.
but he want to convert it into the software in any application. So
Yeah, yeah.
I think like JavaScript is compulsory. It's connected with Java.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
easily. HTML, CSS, you can easily.
So like if you
Combine.
want to make any application, so it's compulsory to use JavaScript.
Of course.
I think.
In Pakistan
no
nowadays,
matter like
now-
from which program is, like if we are our program is Python language, okay, but we want to convert it into application, then I think we should use JavaScript or not.
you can easily use JavaScript.
If you have a command on
if you
it.
have command, but in Pakistan, if we talk about before 2-3 years ago, like a lot of people can make their completely websites on Python front and back end. But today, if we talk about 2023, ending of 2023, JavaScript is very popular in Pakistan. Every coder make front end on JavaScript for their programs. Yeah.
I think in 2024
Yeah.
we can say that JavaScript will be no more, because we have a ChatGPT, and
Yeah, of course.
we can make websites with the we can say with the help of ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Like there is automation everywhere
Yeah,
in
yeah.
YouTube, and
YouTube
in-
automation also. Yeah.
in we can say TikTok, Facebook, Insta, and your websites. There is everywhere automation of AI. We can say
Of course.
AI will handle your all the application
All
websites. AI will make your we can say
Mozambique, these
applications and
languages,
websites.
I at some points, this language is also used for mobile applications.
For
Yeah,
Yeah,
me,
in
yeah.
Android mobiles, I have also seen that there is a JavaScript icon, and
Yeah, of course.
so I think that JavaScript is good, compulsory
Of course.
for software engineer, but like we can say that, don't you think that in 2024 like there will be a lack of software engineers
Jobs because of like
because of AI, ChatGPT.
AI,
so who will take over the
intelligence.
jobs of software engineer, like into your point of view?
If we talk about like job series, the AI operators, their like developers can be resolve these issues.
So you're talking that the AI, we can say the person who have knowledge of AI tools, and who can run the AI
Yeah.
in their we can say that in their own mind,
Yeah.
so they can make
Yeah.
they can
Easily.
take over the software engineer's job.
Job,
So
of course, yeah.
what is the resolution? What is the, we can say, solution of that point of view?
Like AI problem, software developers, futures. Muzammil, after like 10 years ago, I also need software developer. So it is not like software developers.
I think there is another degree for AI. We can say there is prompt engineering.
Yeah.
Who had a prompt engineering? They have knowledge of the tools,
Tools.
using
AI
of
tools.
AI tools, prompt engineering, and it's not we can say in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in all over the world except Pakistan. But I think that it is very expensive degree, and very we can say that
Worth it degree.
worth it degree for the beginners.
Yeah.
And my we can say that my point of view is that if you are doing a software engineering, then you should convert, or you should convert your split in your degree into we can say prompt engineering,
Prompt
because it is
engineering.
little bit basic is same, but the we can say that upcoming level is different, and prompt
Of course.
engineering is a very scopable degree
Yeah.
for the rest of the future,
Of course.
for the beginners. So if Usman, if the students who want to learn prompt engineering,
Yeah.
so from where they get degree, or from where they get classes, like in Pakistan it is not we can say introducible.
Introduce, yeah.
For prompt engineering, you can easily go Germany.
No, we can go easily to Germany.
You can easily go Germany.
No,
Yeah,
like
man,
there
you are
there
wrong,
are
man.
so many students who are waiting for visas, but they are also getting rejections of their visas,
Yeah.
but they didn't get any. We can say passports or visa. We can say.
Zamil,
It's
it's depends
wastage of
upon
time.
your
So it's
score.
very difficult to leave to leave your country for study to another country to Europe, because we can say that
Muzammil, if you
international
have-
students can easily come to Pakistan, but the Pakistani students can't go easily to
Yeah.
another
It is, like,
countries
sure.
for.
short
So
time problem.
what is your point of view that, like, we can say, what is the problem, main problem? Why the Pakistani students are facing these problems as international level?
Muzammil, if we like talk about Pakistani student, they can go abroad and they faces a lot of problems in Pakistan, like visa problems and passport issues problems.
Our economic
Yeah.
system, economic rate is very low.
Mhm.
That's why they cannot manage their resources in other countries.
Fees is like
They are highly
Expenses.
expensive if you go to the other, like Europe,
Yeah.
etc.
So, but there is another option to learning this degree online. But in online, like, there is a same thing, a fees, subscription,
Yeah,
course,
subscription,
yeah.
paid courses,
fees.
yeah.
paid courses. So, I think that it's a very difficult thing to learn the prompt engineering while studying in Pakistan.
If you are Pakistani and you live in like abroad, so you can easily
Yeah, when you go outside, when you we can say when you leave your metrics in your country, then you can get all the things and all the, we can say, degrees. There are so many, we can say, opportunities to get in we can say abroad. Yeah, but there are two conditions of students. Some
Yeah.
of the students, they go abroad and they leave the study
Their
and
studies
Of
and
course, yeah.
do
Yeah.
jobs.
they do the jobs, but some of the students, they we can say
manage.
that
They manage their
yeah,
studies.
they manage their studies and they
Yeah.
get we can say
How do you say?
they get their degree
Highly
from
paid
there.
job.
They get degree from there, but there is a fact that they don't want to come back.
Of course. Yeah, you're right.
What is that the reason?
Yeah.
Like because they know that there is no value of their degree in
Our
their own
Pakistan.
country.
Yeah.
But you can say that in our board offices, in our, like, we can say,
Intermediate
institutes,
yeah.
we can say government
Institution.
in government institutes and government offices, there are lack of, we can say,
Education.
Education.
Of
Yeah.
course.
so we can
And
because
government institution-
our education minister is not we can say
Like they are not well educated.
well educated. They don't we can say their the literacy rate is
Very low.
not
Lot.
at half as well.
Of course, yeah.
So
I
it's a
think
very
so.
big
Our
problem. What can we do?
Pakistan Education Minister is Fawad Chaudhry. I think
No,
so.
science minister,
Science
technology.
Technology Minister Fawad
Yeah,
Chaudhry.
he was metric fill, I think.
Do not talk about brother.
Politics is not allowed. Yeah.
Okay, so the conclusion is that if you are doing the degree and you are learning in your country, then make sure you're learning the skills, not
Yeah.
theory. So then you may get so many opportunities in your future and after getting your degree. So we connected with us, wait for us for more videos, for more
course.
information videos, and we will manage you and we will catch you in another video. Thank you for viewing this podcast.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.